In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group items in Squarespace, a really handy feature if you're looking to organize your site more efficiently. Whether you want to create a cohesive look or just manage content more effectively, knowing how to group items can greatly streamline your workflow. Let's dive in and explore these steps to help enhance the functionality and visuals of your site. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace website on your browser. Just head over there and ensure you are logged into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, the next step is to click on the Get Started button. This will take you into the main dashboard area where you can manage all your websites. From the dashboard, you'll select the specific website you want to work on. This is crucial, especially if you have multiple sites, so make sure you're working on the correct one to avoid any mix-ups. After you've selected your website, you will need to click on the Edit Site option. This button takes you straight into the site editor interface where all the magic happens. Now that you're inside the editor, you'll see all the content blocks laid out on your page. The next thing to do is to click on the first block you want to group. This could be anything from text blocks, images, video players, or any other content that you have on your site. Once you've selected the first block, hold down the Shift key and start clicking on the other blocks you want to combine. This action allows you to select multiple blocks at once. It's a simple trick, but very effective for grouping items efficiently. With the blocks selected, it's time to bring them together. Look for the Group icon, which is represented by a lasso icon. This tool is designed to make organization easier by letting you combine multiple blocks into a single group, which can even function as a subpage. Click on this icon, and voila! Your selected blocks are now grouped together. This grouping gives your page a tidier appearance and makes moving or rearranging sections a breeze. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to group items in Squarespace. By following these steps, you should be able to create cleaner layouts and work more effectively within the platform. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope it was helpful and you feel more confident about getting organized in Squarespace. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides. Happy designing!